like if they were gonna find something like that, you put the crash pads at the bottom. You wouldn't really need a lot of rope for that. I have never seen
Go, little buddy, go! Look, he's upside down, pushing that up here with his back legs, but he's like doing a handstand, and he's pushing it with his back legs. You see him? He's upside down.
Oh my god.
That is so crazy.
That is like half his size too.
Boy, I wish I'd have known if anybody had number 3, because look, it's way out there. Three hours later. By the way, my birthday's Tuesday, so I guess I'm gonna be out here celebrating my birthday.
Which one? Whoops, steaks.
Actually, here to turn 9 long ways.
What?
You turn it long ways, because my tent's long. If not, I'll be having to go out the sides that way instead of out the front. That make
Alright,
sense?
so, yeah, no, not yet.
Like my door's on the front and the back. If I'd have put it like that, I would have had to go out. Oh. And a water source. Probably. What do you think?
Water source, big tart.
Yeah.
So we should probably do the big tart first.
Probably, yeah. So the water source is 250 feet away, but we do not see a sign for the water source. So we're going to walk down this hill, and hopefully there's a water source down there off that little ridge. Hopefully. We'll see. Whew. Little injury. I cut my hand sawing some wood. It slipped right off of there and slit right through my thumb and my index finger real fast like. Probably could use some stitches on this one, but I think it'll be alright till tomorrow. Exciting!
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of cool, huh?
Yeah. Do you like pistachios?
I can't eat nuts. Oh! I have diverticulitis. Can't eat nuts or seeds. Can't eat anything that's gassy like cabbage and a lot of lettuce and broccoli and any of that stuff. Sucks, but you know,
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah. Third of whatever that. What it look? You know what a third?
Let's see. That would be 300 milligram. We're going. Turn it on. Oh, it has gas? Oh. It boils water in under 2 minutes. So, I love it. It's perfect. It was only like, I can't remember. Less than $35. This little stove off Amazon. Okay. That's what's for dinner. Creamy mac and cheese.
I used to love mac and cheese.
It's definitely cheesy. I've got sweaty clothes hanging from the inside of my tent.
Yeah, I was wondering how you do that.
I have this little hook that hangs from the top.
Oh.
And I just have my sports bra hanging from that because it's the sweatiest. And then at the bottom of my tent, I got the rest of my clothes basically piled up. I'll probably have to spread them out. If not, they're not going to dry. I think it's only like 8 o'clock.
Is it?
I think so. And I'm just so tired.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
I think a storm's getting ready to come. So we are going to go to bed and hopefully not get wet. But I'll see you in the morning.
So I have to bring stuff without nuts next time.
If you want to, or
Oh, I have weed.
I don't snack a whole lot.
I have weed.
Popcorn? Can't do popcorn or anything like that. Does it have like pieces of popcorn in it, like the kettle,
Oh, it doesn't have the things in it.
like the little kettle hard things in it? Okay, then I probably could eat that. See, I can't do popcorn either because the kettles and the popcorn act like seeds.
It's like that.
Oh yeah.
Well, maybe. I don't know. It does, You what?
I love that. I love what that looks like when it does that.
It does look good. Is it too hot?
Maybe. That's real hot, but that's good.